Hey guys, what's the latest? I've got about 40 minutes, if that, maybe 45, I don't know. But I'm still trying to get this going. Still trying to figure out why my cookie is coming back as malformed, even though it's a perfectly valid cookie because I've tested it and I know it works. And so yeah, so I'm trying to think of what it could be that's you know tripping it up. So we're right here, and we're getting all the way through. We're getting all the way through to here. But then we go decode it. Oh, I remember what the problem. Well, I don't remember what the problem is. I remember what I think the problem might be. Somehow, when my cookie comes back, it's getting, or my token is not just storing the token. It's storing the token plus some crap. So I need to cut off the crap. It's the prefix, everything that comes before token. So see how here we got token. It's showing up as token \::, bear blah. But I think what I want for the token is just the bear blah, which means I need to cut off everything before bear blah. So what I need to do, I think, is if I go in here, I have a clean token method that's coming in here. I think it's called clean token. I think it's this guy here. Get claim, fixed token padding. Oh, I don't even think I'm using fixed token. Don't get me started with fixed token padding. Fixed token padding is just another AI. Hey, do this. Something about the AI. I mean, I think what the problem is, the AI is seeing. I just tell what the problem is, and it's just trying to give me solutions. That might be the problem, but it's not seeing that my token is actually invalid. So what I need to do is just like clean token. Let's just call this clean token. I don't think this is anywhere. Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so we're just going to change the name of this. I'm going to call this clean token. Clean token. So we do get the split, but what I think I need to do is, in addition to that, we're going to go ensure that each part is properly padded. I don't know about the padding crap. I'm going to actually not do this because I don't feel like that's a thing. I mean, maybe it is, but I'm not going to worry about it until it actually looks like the problem. Okay, so what we are going to do is we're just going to go up here and we're going to say token equals token dot I want to trim. How about right? No, not pad right. That's not going to work. Dot. What is it? If I want to cut off stuff from the left. Arg. Can't remember what the syntax for that is. I mean, it's like it's not left. I mean, that's SQL. I could do a substring maybe. Is substring a thing? Dot substring. All right, so we got a start index is going to be token dot index of bear. And that's going to be where that starts. And for the length, And for what? So it's a token dot length minus this. And then I'm going to put a break here because I want to see what it returns. And then we're going to go up here. And we're going to clean the token. I don't know why it's doing this, but I think it expects this. But I'm putting it in because a lot of things keep saying take the bearer off, bearer off. But I'm just doing it for a proof of concept. Token equals clean token. All right, let's see what this does. Because I'm trying to have my code return a valid error. The auth error, because it needs the bearer prefix, but this removes the bearer prefix. But I haven't actually seen my auth API return a valid code because it's blowing up before it even gets there. So I'm trying to force it to get, when it gets there, when it checks it, go ahead and complain about it because I want to see it complain. All right, so we're in clean token now, which is fine. Let's go ahead and hit F10 here. Let's see what we got back. See, now we just got the bearer. That's perfect. Bearer token. Now it's according, now of course I need the entire thing. Hopefully I got the entire thing. I didn't cut it off for something. But hopefully we're good. Yeah, it's totally not what I expected to look at there. So let's see what the end is. So I want to make sure I didn't cut off too much. It's 1.8. Okay. Okay, so it does equal 3 parts because it didn't get not equal to 3 parts. Okay. All right, so let's see what happens. Now we know this is going to go in there. Do I need double if I'm doing clean token? I don't need both. I mean, I can get rid of this check because my clean token's checking it for that. Okay. Ah. All right, so maybe I cut off too much. That's what I'm thinking. Okay, so I'll stop here. Gotta rerun it. I gotta make sure I get the full length. I may have cut off too much because it's the index of, yeah, it's probably index of -1 or something. Probably just, it's always a little weird when you're working with strings, right? Because you got the index, and if it's 0 based, that's the index. So you're starting in the right place, but then you go to the length, and it's the length minus, but it's the minus +1 maybe. Okay, so paid F5. We should end up back at the token clean. All right, so my token is supposed to end. My token is supposed to end in -YH8. And do I have an immediate? Because I don't want to do it if it's going to be wrong. Here we go, immediate. Okay, so we got bearer. Oh. That's weird. It's got extra stuff on it. Alright, what if I go question mark, increase. -3. Oh, no, too much. -2. So now we got bear all the way out to here, and it's YH8. It's everything, including the entire thing. Okay, so let's just see if I can. -2. Alright, now has my token got the full value? No, it still got the crap on the end, so it didn't do the right thing. Alright, so we gotta try again. It's gonna blow up. Now whatever it is should be without any extra junk on the end. Right? Nope. Why am I getting crap on the end? JR8. What the heck? Even though I took off the thing. Shoot. Alright. I'll try it again. Okay. Well, we're cutting off correctly. Problem is, it's not taking off the end junk. See, I got 9 QVC. There's not even anything on the end. I don't know why we're getting extra stuff. Why are we getting extra stuff? So my token length is 390. So where is this at? 10. So 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, see, it's doing something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh wait, no. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It's only 8, but it's saying it's at 10. But it is cutting it correctly. It's cutting everything off at the bearer. How much we're getting, but somehow it's getting more at the end here. If I just read it as text, I think that's the problem. I keep trying to just read it as JSON. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, it's 10. So we are getting bearer. And we've got to go -2 QVC, but for some reason it's not doing that. 1, 2. No, it's perfect. QVC. Why? This token's just a string, so it should be fine. Bear -2 token index of bear. Okay. Oops, it's so weird. When are they doing that? Oh. See, I'm getting this weird thing. It's breaking the parts just fine. Header, payload, and then we get this weird thing. I don't know what's making it do that, because that's the decode, but I haven't read the decode yet. It's just decoding it on its own. Just do it. Just do it. So when I've cleaned the token, I come here, and then we're going to go token.replace. I don't need to do that, but let's see what the token shows now. Yep, it's nothing but string stuff. I don't know, text visualizer is weird because it actually decodes it. I don't actually want it to decode it, but it does it anyway. So the decoding works fine, we know that. Log information, deserialize, JSON payload. Now we're going to go here. Is valid, and we're going to go here. And we have our correct location. HTTP request is fine. We're going to add to the header. Oh. You know what? It may not want me to do it this way. Let's stop it. Let's do this. Let's re-enable that guy. Everybody keeps trying to take off my bearer token. Look, even this tries to do it. I just need this to be token. Alright, so before I start it back up, I'm taking this off. Because this doesn't need to exist. My clean token will clean this, so I don't need to do that. Okay, so, and I am going to not do this, because it looks like it's already doing it at that top piece, so I don't need to do it again. This is just redundant junk, so. Well, if I do it here, I most certainly do not need to do it here. And I wouldn't do it in there anyway. If I really wanted that off, I would have just done it in the clean token. I mean, what's the point, right? All right, let's try it again. Heading to the airport in about half an hour. Going to be doing some traveling. Hopefully my kiddos will keep up with feeding the pups. Okay, 5. 10, set the request header. Response await, send request. Is success? No. But we didn't fail. Aha! Aha! We didn't fail. Let's see what it says. That didn't work. It does not contain any JSON tokens. Expected the input to start with a valid JSON token, which is final block is true. Huh? Oh. That might be the lack of bearer token because it was expecting that. My wife is headed home. She wants me to feed the dogs now. I mean, probably a good idea. Yeah, okay. The input is not getting any JSON tokens. I don't know if that's failing from the read from JSON async. Because that doesn't seem like. When is final block is true, path, my number. Inner exception. The input does not contain JSON tokens. Expect the input to start with a valid JSON token. When is final block is true. Well, let's see. We got it did not have a JSON token. It's a weird. It's not the error expected. It's also very very excessive. Okay, so let's see what happens if I take this bearer out. This is the piece I don't think I need. So I'm just going to do this. You know what? No, never mind. I'm overthinking it. We're good. Clean token. I want to get rid of this. Do I need this? I'm trying to decide if I can just use my if I need token. So I've cleaned my token. It's a good token. But now they're doing this thing. And they're taking bear out. don't know if it's needed. It's finding multiple decodes. All right, I gotta get moving here. So let's see, make a try, one last try. Where is Dwit token going? It's gonna do the split and token parts. That's it. So let's just do this. There you go. So we're getting rid of that because I know for a fact that the validate token on the auth side is looking for a prefix that says bearer on it. It's actually expecting it to be there. So if it's not there, it's gonna choke. I'm thinking that's what the problem is because it did come back. It read, it went out, did something, but it wasn't what it expected. So that's what I'm hoping is the case. And I have to pack up my computer and stuff too, so. Which I forgot. I'm gonna send a request. Still blowing up. It is unauthorized. We are in here. Content language, length 0. Nope. All right, well, I don't know. Now we're past the malformed or token not being there stuff, and we've gotten all the way down to now we're getting this guy's blowing up saying it's not a JSON token, but we also know that we're passing a JSON token. For whatever reason, we're not getting back a success, but I don't know what that means because we can't read the information. Reason phrase, unauthorized version of and content is what I'm trying to read, but it doesn't actually seem to have any values. Huh. Oh. Gotta stop, unfortunately, a little sooner than I wanted to. We'll just keep plugging.